What is up, everybody? It's Jamey. Welcome back to the channel. We've got a new filming environment going on right now. Just moved into our new place. We have some other renovations that are currently going on as well. So bear with me, like the filming location, lighting, sound, echoing, all that kind of stuff is a little trying to still figure that out. But I have an exciting video for you today because we're going to be taking a look at CASETIFY's new Crush Impact and Ultra Impact cases for the iPhone 13 Pro. I was originally introduced to the CASETIFY cases back like kind of halfway through my time with my iPhone 12 Pro, and I had been rocking the clear impact case as well as this like sheer yellow Ultra Impact case, and I have loved these things. These have been my two go-to cases basically the majority of the time that I had my iPhone 12 Pro. I liked the clear aspect to show off like my silver, and then I used this case a lot with the added protection and also the bright color when I would like run or do anything active, or even like at night it kind of like obviously showed a lot brighter, and I really enjoyed these. So I've had my Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro for a while and just trying out different cases. So I was excited when CASETIFY revamped and launched new versions of their Impact and Ultra Impact cases through the ReCasetify program called their Crush cases. And we're going to be taking a look at those today. When looking to make a purchase from CASETIFY, make sure to use the link below so you can receive 15% off your entire order. So traditionally when looking at cases for my iPhone, I'm pretty boring and basic. I mean, this was wild for me to venture outside of like just a standard color like leather case, something clear. And so for the iPhone 13 Pro, I wanted to go a little bit different. And that's what's great about the cases from CASETIFY. They have so many different designs. You can go clear if you want to, you can go like a really bright color if you want to, but they have a bunch of different print options as well as different ways you can personalize the cases with your name, initials, a saying, or whatever the case may be. If you go on the CASETIFY site, it is going to be impossible to not find a case for everyone. Whether it's super plain and straightforward, there's a case for that. But you can go wild, there's a bunch of different prints. There's a lot of like creative options for cases. So with the new Impact and Ultra Impact Crush cases from CASETIFY, they've really made an even further push towards sustainability with the ReCasetify program. So 65% of these cases are made out of recycled and plant-based materials. So they have a program where you can send back old cases and they'll use those old cases to help produce these ReCasetify Crush cases. Additionally, all of the packaging that comes with these cases is made out of 100% recycled materials. So another thing that I really love about CASETIFY cases is the drop protection. So I was looking at some other cases that had, touting like great drop protection, but the thing I don't like about a lot of those cases is that they're very thick and like bulky, and I want to have a much more slimmer form factor. And so CASETIFY, what they do is they have a rubber material called Tech that is located on the inside of all of their cases. And then also if you get a Ultra Impact case, they double up on the Tech material by including it on the four corners as bumpers. And what that's going to do is that's going to provide up to, on the Ultra Impact case, 9.8 feet of drop protection, while the Impact case is going to have 6.5 feet. But the great thing is that you're still having that slim form factor. And that was a huge advantage for me, because all the other cases I looked at that had like good drop protection that they would tout, they were just way too bulky. So with the new Crush cases, they also advanced in this material. It's now comprised of recycled and plant-based materials as well. All right, so the sun is in my face like crazy right now, but we're gonna do a quick drop test. So here we have the Ultra Impact case. It's gonna give 9.8 feet of drop protection. I'm gonna go over there, toss this guy up in the air, and let's see how it does. The thing is perfect. Nothing, I mean, I feel like the bricks are worse off than the phone and the case itself. So as I mentioned before, I typically like going like very basic with a lot of my cases, and I decided to go a little bit more wild, a little bit different. And so I have just a few different options here that I chose for my Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro. I like the option of being able to see the back. I like something that's clear or has like a little bit of a translucent, because I do like the blue color on the Sierra Blue. So what I thought was interesting is they have a bunch of these different cases where there's just like different stickers or different items that they have placed on the back, which gives you the option of having something other than just a fully clear case, but you can have some sort of design. So I thought it was kind of unique how they had this, you know, fragile type of almost like looking like packaging, as well as like another option of packaging as well with this duty-free setup on the back. I thought these were kind of like unique and different. The other thing that you notice is that you can go with different kinds of sides on these Crush cases, and the different color that you have, it's going to change up the sparkle effect that you have on there, as well as it can change the colors of the bumpers. So just take a look at which one that you like better. Each of the different cases, like the back design option, you can have your different choice of the side color that you want. So the customization options is just truly like, it's infinite, anything you can think of. So in addition to different designs, you can also customize as well. So there's different monogram options and different fonts and different layouts and designs. So I just did this one that's like an all over print of my initials. One thing that I thought was really cool that it might not really show up on camera is that it does like, it has like a little bit of a reflective material on it. So depending upon the light, how the light hits it, you're gonna see a little bit of a shine that I really wasn't expecting. So it was a nice little surprise. So with this duty-free case, I wanted to get this just to see what the different color side looks like. This might be maybe better suited for like a graphite phone to try to get that more overall like stealthy look. I think it still looks good in the blue. Personally, I prefer like this type of a setup, like the blue on blue with my Sierra Blue phone, but it's just nice having different options depending upon what color phone that you have. So here's the last case I have. It's just a standard like Impact Crush case with my name on the bottom. Just very like clear and basic. I do like how the Crush cases have like the little speckle that's built into the, you know, kind of rubbery material on the side. Gives it like a cool little different unique look. I also really like the way that CASETIFY does the camera cutout. I've always been like more minimalistic on branding, but this utilization of branding around the camera cutout I think it's actually very clever, and I really enjoy what it looks like. But when comparing just the Impact versus the Ultra Impact cases, as I mentioned before, really the only thing that you're missing on the Ultra Impact are these 4 corners of additional like rubber material. So the overall bulk doesn't really change all that much. I traditionally like swap between an Impact and an Ultra Impact case depending upon what I'm doing. When I run outside, for whatever reason, I've always like run with my phone in my hand. So for that, I'm always popping on the Ultra Impact case, just in case if I happen to like sling my phone while out of my hand while I'm running. Another thing to note with all CASETIFY cases is that they do include an antimicrobial coating on their cases that's going to kill 99% of bacteria. In terms of pricing, these cases are going to range anywhere from $60 to $75, depending upon if you have the Pro or the Pro Max, as well as if you go with an Impact versus an Ultra Impact case. So when we look at $60, that's going to be for an iPhone 13 Pro with just the Impact case. All the way up to $75 is going to be Pro Max Ultra Impact. In addition to cases, CASETIFY offers other items for protection. So things like screen protectors you can get from them. They also offer a lens protector. That's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to use the link below to get 15% off your order from CASETIFY. I'll catch you guys in the next video.